Creating shaped tweens. Shaped tween allows you to morph shapes. A square can morph to a circle using the shaped tween. To use the shaped tween properly, you need to follow the steps in order for the tween to work. 1. Right-click on any frame and click Insert Frame. You will see that a blank keyframe will appear. 2. Draw a shape on the stage. 3. Right-click on the shape and click Create Shape Tween. Notice that the frames have turned green and dots are placed on each frame. 4. Insert another blank keyframe beside the last frame. 5. Draw another shape different from the one you drew earlier. Notice that the dots became an arrow. 6. Play the animation. It is important to remember that Shape Tween can only work in shapes. A start and end keyframe should be defined. A shape tween can be applied to a single or multiple shapes, creating motion tweens. Another type of tween that we will be discussing is the motion tween. Motion tweens are used to animate symbols. It is very efficient since it uses symbols which take less file size than shape tween and frame-by-frame animation. To apply a motion tween, here are the steps to follow. 1. Create a frame. Then, draw a symbol on one side of the stage. 2. Right-click on the symbol and click Create Motion Tween. Notice that the frames have turned blue. 3. Drag the symbol from one side to the other. Notice that a green dotted line will appear between the previous position and the new position of the symbol. This is called the motion path. 4. Play the animation. You can also modify the motion path by dragging it, adding eases, or using the motion editor. One example of modifying the motion path is to make a straight path a curve. To do that, use the selection tool to drag one of the dots in the motion path. Notice that the motion path that was once straight is now curved. You can also change where the animation starts and ends. Use sub-selection tool and drag the first or last dot of the motion path anywhere. Notice that as the dot changes position, the motion path also changes.